For letter A, I notice that there is a square in the corner. So this one is definitely a complementary angle, meaning it is 90 degrees. I know that it's going to be equal to 90 degrees, so the true statement that I'd write about it would be 4x plus 36 equals 90 degrees. We kind of looked at this yesterday as well with adjacent and vertical angles. To solve for x, I'm going to undo addition or subtraction first. So I'm going to subtract 36 from both sides. These two 36s will cancel out, so all I'm left with is 4x on the left side. Over here I do have to borrow to subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4, 8 minus 3 is 5. Now all I have to do is divide by 4 to get x by itself. We probably will come up with a decimal here because I don't think 4 goes into 54 evenly. 4 goes into 5 once with 1 left over. 4 goes into 14 3 times with 2 left over. And 4 goes into 25 times. So x will be equal to 13.5. Supplementary angle. Remember, supplementary angles look like a straight angle, and they should be equal to 180 degrees. So I'm going to write a true statement about this. X plus x minus 4 equals 180 degrees. What I can do here maybe is get the 4 away from the x's. So I'm going to add 4 to the other side. So now I have this. X plus x is equal to 184. So something plus something is equal to 184. Maybe again too, I can combine like terms, and that's just going to be 2x to make that a little bit easier for you. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 2. 184 cut in half will be 92. So for this one, I'm going to write that up here. X is equal to 92. If you need to